So today's makeup look is going to be a Joker inspired look done by my beautiful friend Melina. She freaking snapped and I just had to share it with you guys. Okay, so first she started off with my brows. She filled them in regularly and then went on top with a green eyeshadow. And then she took some concealer, put on both the bottom and the top of my brows just to clean up all the excess product and so my eyebrows would appear more sharp. She took a beauty blender, blended it all out so it'd be nice and flawless. Then went in with some more concealer, put that on both my lids just to create a nice solid base for the eyeshadow. She first started off with a light brown eyeshadow shade and put that all up in my crease and blended it upwards just to create a nice solid transition. She then decided to put two things of tape on the side of my eyes so that there would be no fallout from the darker shadows. She then went in with a purple eyeshadow shade and put that all up in my crease as well as the outer corner of my eye, blending it up in a winged type of motion. She then went in with a purple champagne type of shade and put that all over my lid to create some dimension. She also took some black eyeshadow to create a smoked liner effect. She then took some mascara and put that on my top lashes and then applied falsies on top. After this, my camera did have some problems and cut out some of the footage for some odd reason, but she did my normal face routine of foundation, contour, and highlight as well as some powder. Then in a line type of motion, she took some red eyeshadow and put some under my eye as well as above my eyebrow. She also added some black in the middle to create some more dimension. She then added some green eyeshadow in the inner corner of my eyes as well as some purple eyeshadow underneath my eyes for some pops of color. She also added the word damaged across one of my eyebrows as well as two little J's with some black liner. Okay, so we finished the look. We added green hairspray, so you know, Joker vibes. Yeah. But special thank you to Melina, my beautiful makeup artist. She's so cute. So thank you guys for watching.